Where does the name for Brynffordd, or in English Brynford, come from? So today I'm in a hamlet just outside Holywell in Flintshire and it's called Brynffordd. Let's get into the name. Okay, this should be really simple. The Welsh name for the town is Brynffordd, the English name Brynford. Let's break it down. Okay, I'll count to 3. Tell me what a bryn is. 3, 2, 1. It's a bryn like a hill, right? And then forth, you got 3 seconds. Forth like a road. Really simple. Road hill. Except it isn't. So it should be really simple, except it isn't because it's Flintshire and the place names here are never that simple or straightforward. So what this is an example of again is where the Kingdom of Mercia, Old English speakers, had once again settled here and named it something, Bryn like brown, and Ford like a ford, and then Welsh speakers, after they took it back in the 800s and 900s, listened to the place names that the Old English speakers had left and then reinterpreted it again. So they heard Bryn as Bryn, a hill, and Ford as Forth, like a road, so they called it Brynffordd. And a fun little fact about Brynford is that Sir Henry Moreton Stanley, the colonial explorer who explored parts of Africa, actually was a trainee teacher in the school here. So the name literally means the brown ford, the muddy river crossing. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest, my pilgrimage, to explain every place name in Wales and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link is in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.